How to fix not receiving text messages on Android. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix not receiving text messages on Android. So let's get started. First, go ahead and open your phone settings menu. This is commonly represented by a gear icon and it serves as the control center for all configuration on your device. Once you are in the settings, look for the option that says App and Notifications. This section will help you manage all the applications installed on your phone. Next, tap on See All Apps to get comprehensive list of all applications currently on your device. This is where you can find the specific app that may be causing the issue. Now, you'll want to search for the Messages app. Since this is where the verification code will typically be sent, it's important to locate this app because the code might not be showing up if there are some underlying issues. Once you have found the Messages app, open it up and take a moment to clear both the cache and storage. Clearing the cache removes temporary files that can sometimes cause problems, while clearing the storage resets the app to its original state, potentially removing any bugs that may be preventing you from receiving messages. If you have gone through those steps and the problem still persists, your next move is to head over to the Play Store and in the Play Store search for the Messages app again. It's possible that the app may need an update to function correctly. If an update is available, go ahead and install it, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.